How can I create a profile field where the value is derived from another profile field? In previous tutorials, we've explored how to create profile fields of many different types for your subscriber lists. Now, let's look at how we can create profile fields where the values are derived from other profile fields. These types of derived fields automatically extract data from other fields based on formulas and calculations, and can be used to better target and to send customized content to your subscribers. To get started, click on Subscriber Warehouse in the main menu and select the list or list group that you want to work with. Right-click on the list group and select Open List Group Definition. Then proceed to the Profile Fields step. Since we already have existing subscribers for the list group, you will see a notice that any changes are restricted to add, remove, reorder, and rename only. This won't be a problem in our case, since we will simply be adding new profile fields. First, let's add a derived profile field for the domain name. Click the Add button and select Derived from the pull-down menu. Since these fields are automatically populated, you have the choice to keep them hidden from subscribers on their profile definition screen, or to show them as read-only fields. On the next step, click on Derivation Rules. Here you will find our new profile field. Click the Define link and enter the rule in the pop-up window. We'll be using the substring formula to extract this information from the email address. You can find more detailed information about how these formulas are structured under the help pages, which are always accessible from the top right corner. Click the Finish button to finalize the creation of the new derived profile field. You will notice in the subscriber list that this new field has been automatically populated for all of your subscribers. Now, let's create another derived field for the top-level domain. Click the Add button again and enter the details for the new field. On the Derivation Rules screen, we'll enter a new formula to extract the top-level domain. Click Finish to create the field. Since we're collecting the birthdays of all of our subscribers so that we can send them special birthday offers, let's create one more field for the birth month. We'll follow the same steps as before, but this time we'll use the substring formula to extract this information from the birthday field. Now that we've created 3 derived fields, you can click on Demographics to get a breakdown of our subscriber base based on these 3 fields. You can use this information, for example, to send out your newsletter in batches at different times for different subscribers. North American subscribers can get their newsletter in the mornings in North America, while European subscribers can get them in the mornings in Europe. For the birth month, you can use this profile field, for example, as a condition to include special offers in your newsletter for those subscribers who have their birthdays in a given month. These types of fields will make it easier for you to more precisely target and to send customized content to your subscribers. Thank you for watching.